we will be having an experiment that is all about pressure. And this experiment is called Size Doesn't Matter. We need these materials in order to perform our experiment. So we need to have a water, and in our water or fluid, it is advisable that we need to put some food coloring so that we can trace where the water is in our hose, since our hose is transparent. And another thing that we need to have are these syringes. We need to have a bigger syringe and a smaller syringe. So I have here 5 ml syringe and 3 ml syringe. And the last thing that we need to have is an elastic hose. Alright, so let's proceed to the experiment proper. So we need to put a fluid in our hose. By using our syringe, we need to extract fluid from our basin, and then we're going to put it inside the hose. Alright, so I am putting in, and make it sure not to fill up the hose. Alright, okay, so this is good. And we need to attach this 3 ml syringe at the end of our hose. And be sure that the plunger of this syringe is not being pulled. Alright, so next is we need to add fluid here in our hose. So let's extract again from our basin, and then we're going to put it. And we're going to attach our 5 ml syringe in our hose. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is you are going to observe what will happen to this when I am going to push the plunger of our 5 ml syringe. Alright, so look closely, observe what will happen to the 3 ml syringe. Alright, so I am pushing now, and then the plunger is being pulled, or it is being pushed by the water. So next, I am also going to push the plunger of the 3 ml, and we're going to describe what will happen to our 5 ml syringe. Alright. Another one. Another. Okay. So when I am going to, or when we push the fluid from the 5 ml syringe, it is being absorbed by the 3 ml syringe. It's because in this hose there is pressure. And when we push the plunger of the 5 ml syringe, the pressure is being equally distributed. And with that, the pressure, or the 3 ml syringe, accumulates the pressure together with the fluid. And when I'm going to push the plunger of the 3 ml, the pressure will be in the 5 ml syringe. So this is an experiment that tells about, or that talks about pressure. Again, this has pressure. If we're going to push this, the pressure will be in here. Okay, so when we are going to push this, the pressure will also be here. So I hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching, and God bless.